Hello friends, I welcome you all in another video from Science Academy. In this video, I am going to do the solution of GATE Life Sciences whose subject code is Excel, and this is the second video. In the previous video, I have made the solution of biochemistry. I've already made the solution of biochemistry whose link is coming on this I symbol of this video. Also, I will provide the link of that video in the description box. You can watch from there. In this video, I will do the solution of botany subject starting from question number 1 to question number 10. In the next video, I will do the solution from question number 11 to rest of the question. Before starting this video, I will request you all to kindly watch this video till the end so that you can understand the concept or the solution in detail of each and every question. So friends, let's start this video. Question number 1 is telling indefinite stamen is a characteristic feature of which of the following plant family. So indefinite stamen means monoadelphous. What is meaning of monoadelphous? Where the stamen present in one particular bundle. So it is associated in one bundle. That's called monoadelphous. Monos means single, adelphous means bundle. So single bundle will be present, and that's the characteristic feature of Malvaceae. You have to remember. So answer will be A. Moving to the next question, question number 2. In natural condition, which of the following plant does not exhibit anomalous secondary growth? Anomalous secondary growth means growth of secondary, like secondary xylem and secondary phloem, which leads to formation of wood. So those plants which are having hard wood, in that plant there is a secondary growth that leads to formation of secondary xylem and secondary phloem from cambium ring. So that is mostly occur in the perennial plant which or perennial tree which survive or which grow and divide continuous for many years, and for their growth and support of their heavy weight it requires a heavy wood. So which is present in aloe, yucca and dracæna. But in the rice, which it is a monocot and it is an annual plant, there is no secondary growth. That will be the answer, because here it is asking no anomalous secondary growth. Moving to next question. In a typical angiosperm under natural condition, primary meristem are usually established during. Primary meristem leads to formation of shoot and root apical meristem, and that leads to the formation during the embryogenesis. It is established during the embryogenesis, not in gametogenesis, vegetative or secondary growth. Moving to next question, 2-methoxy-3,6-dichlorobenzoic acid. Benzoic acid is a aromatic amino acid, and this aromatic amino acid present in a synthesis of synthetic oxime, because in oxime, let's take example IAA, indole acetic acid. So indole is present, and indole is present in a tryptophan, which is again aromatic amino acid. Here also it is a aromatic amino acid, so it means 2-methoxy-3,6-dichlorobenzoic acid leads to formation of oxime. Answer will be A. Moving to next question. In a typical green plant, the first stable product Calvin is. Calvin cycle is also known as C3 cycle, where RuBP, which is ribulose 1,5-bis-phosphate, which is 5 carbon, is going to combine with carbon dioxide, which is 1 carbon, in presence of Rubisco, which is enzyme, leads to formation of 2 molecule of 3 carbon, and this 3 carbon is 3-phosphoglyceric acid. So answer will be D. Moving to next question. Among the following, which best describe the organism that live in expense of other organism, harmful but usually not killing? So it is asking that association of two organisms A and B, B cause the negative impact on A and from A by providing some harmful or detrimental effect. So this is somewhat interaction of positive and negative, where one organism is getting benefited on the expense of another, which is negative. So this is, and it is also not going to cause killing. So this can only happen in prey predator as well as host parasite, but parasite does not kill the host and it want to be continue survive continuous survival of the host, so that they can continuous exploit. So here answer will be T. Prey predator is also negative and positive interaction, but here predator kills the prey, just like tiger and deer concept. Moving to next question, the oleogum resin asafoetida, which is called hing, is obtained from the cut surface. It is a direct question. Ring is obtained by the cutting of root. Answer will be B. Next question, Becken disease or foolish seedling disease caused by. Becken is a Japanese word which means foolish. Scientist has observed that in the rice plant it causes growth, excessive growth, due to association of fungus in the root of rice plant, and because fungus was secreting a phytohormone later which was called gibberellic acid. So here this association of Becken disease or foolish disease caused by organism fungus, name was Gibberella fujikuri. Moving to next question, which of the following chemical is used for doubling of chromosome number during the production of double haploid in crop plant? So doubling of haploid crop plant is done by colchicine. Okay, colchicine is a molecule which causes the inhibition of, it leads to inhibition of spindle fiber formation during metaphase. So what happened, the chromosome which was initially duplicated during the S phase, they are not able to separate because the spindle fiber is not going to form, so separation won't take place. So in one particular cell there is a double number of chromosome. It leads to generation of polyploidy, which is quite common in case of plant, mainly rice, wheat. These are the polyploidy, effect of polyploidy. Moving to next question, an mRNA is a nuclear model plant gene. DSH20 has an ORF, open reading frame, of 1353 nucleotide. Provided that the average molecular weight of amino acid is 110 Dalton, calculate the molecular weight of DSH20 protein in kilodalton. So it is a easy question. What is size of the gene? 1353 nucleotide. So if we are going to divide by 3, we will come to know the number of amino acid. Okay, because we know that one amino acid synthesis take place by the one genetic codon, and that genetic codon is made up of 3 nucleotide. So if we will divide this whole nucleotide, which is number of this gene, by 3, then this will give the number of amino acid. So its number will be 451. Okay, this will be the number of amino acid. So we know that one amino acid size is how much? 110 Dalton. So 451 amino acid having the molecular weight of this much Dalton, 110, and since it is asking in kilodalton, we have to divide by 1000. So this will leads to kilodalton. So the what will be the final answer? 451. So 1694. So answer will be 49.61. This will be the answer. So answer will be 49.61. This will be the final answer in kilodalton. So in this video we are going to solve up to here question number 10. In the next video we will do the solution from question number 11 to question number 20. Please do share this video among your friends, and hope so that this video is going to helpful for your preparation in the GATE Life Sciences exam. Thanks a lot for watching. We will meet in the next video with the solution of question number 11 to question number